video, we are going to discuss about the intangible cultural heritage of humanity and Kolkata's Durga Puja, which is considered on it by UNESCO.
Good news, today's story of the day, and it comes from West Bengal, where Durga Puja was, remember, yesterday accorded heritage status by UNESCO.
Before I am moving to the topic, I would like to greet congratulations to my dear sister Lipi for associating as a part of Nation Builder by enhancing quality and productive education toward the children. This is your initial. There is various milestone to achieve ahead, so work hard consistently and stay motivated. Also, I would like to greet congratulations to our family member Bhaskar, who is currently going to be a part of medical department by clearing OPSC. Recently on 15th December 2021, Paris रे UNESCO रो 16th committee meeting organize करा जायतिला for safeguarding of the intangible cultural heritage एवं कोलकाता रो दुर्गा पूजा को एही intangible cultural heritage of humanity रो लिस्ट रे इंस्क्राइब करा जायतिला. UNESCO stand for the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, जहाँ को 16 नवंबर 1945 रे फॉर्मेशन करा जायतिला in the aim of promoting world peace and security by the help of international cooperation in education, arts, science and culture. एहारो हेडक्वार्टर फ्रांस रो पेरिस रे अछि. Let we know the term cultural heritage. Cultural heritage is the indicator of the way of living बा बंचिबार गोटिए माध्यम जहाँ को कम्युनिटी द्वारा डेवलप करा जायछि एवं एहा हमर एंसेस्टर बा पूर्वपुरुष मानक ठारू हमकु इनहेरिटेड हेछि. It includes artwork, buildings, books, objects, songs, folklore and oral history. Here I would like to give you an example for better understand. Earlier हमर एंसेस्टर माने एंटरटेनमेंट पई नाच गीत परफॉर्म करुथिले एवं ताहा इनहेरिटेड हे हम पर्यंत पहुंचीछि. And we also perform singing and dancing for the entertainment purpose. Cultural heritage can be tangible or intangible. Tangible cultural heritage refer to the things जहाँ को आमे स्टोर करी रखी पारिबा किंबा फिजिकली टच करी पारिबा. Example of the tangible cultural heritage include traditional clothing, tools, buildings, artwork, monuments and mode of transportation. Intangible cultural heritage refer to the things जहाँ की physical item बा जिनिस है नथिबो but it exists intellectually. We can feel it. Example of intangible cultural heritage includes oral traditions, songs, rituals, values, superstitions and myths, beliefs, social practices, and the knowledge and skill to produce traditional crafts. Recently, कोलकाता रे हेउथिबा दुर्गा पूजा को यूनेस्को द्वारा इंटेंजिबल कल्चरल हेरिटेज ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटी रो लिस्ट रे इंक्लूड करा जायछि and it originated in the state West Bengal. It is the first festival in Asia to achieve recognition as UNESCO ICH list of humanity. दुर्गा पूजा गोटिए फेस्टिवल जहाँ को प्रति वर्ष सेप्टेम्बर किंबा अक्टोबर मंथ रे सेलिब्रेट करा जाय थाए. Mostly in Kolkata, West Bengal, but also celebrated in other part of India and also celebrated among the Bengali diaspora. Durga Puja is majorly celebrated in the state West Bengal, Assam, Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha and Tripura and also in the country of Bangladesh. In Odisha, Durga Puja को दशहरा मध्य कुआ जाए. Durga Puja 10 दिनर गोटिए इवेंट in which last 5 days involves certain rituals and practices. During this time, people माने goddess Durga को worship and invoke करिथांती जहाँ को कि कॉस्मोस बा विश्व ब्रह्मांडर फेमिनाइन एनर्जी मध्य कहंती and also known as Shakti. According to my mythological beliefs, goddess Durga एही दिन महिषासुर को बद्ध करिथांती who is known as the king of demons, so that this festival is signifies the victory of good over evil. एही फेस्टिवल को प्रॉपर ट्रेडिशनली सेलिब्रेट करा जाय थाए इंक्लूडिंग फोक म्यूजिक culinary crafts and performing art traditions ଏହା ଦେଶର ଗୋଟିଏ ଲାର୍ଜେଷ୍ଟ କଲଚରାଲ କାର୍ନିଭାଲ ଓ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଟ୍ ଆର୍ଟ ଫେଷ୍ଟିଭାଲ ଯାହାକି ଦେଶର ଟ୍ରେଡିସନାଲ ଆର୍ଟ ଓ କ୍ରାଫ୍ଟକୁ ସଷ୍ଟେନ୍ ରଖିବା ସହ ଦେଶର ଇକୋନୋମିକ୍ ଗ୍ରୋଥ କରିବାରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ହେଲ୍ପ କରିଥାଏ ଇୟରଲିୟର ଇନ୍ ଦିସ୍ ଇୟର ଦି ବ୍ରିଟିଶ କାଉନସିଲ ଇନ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ଦେଇଥିବା ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଅନୁସାରେ ଇୟର 2019 ର ଦୁର୍ଗା ପୂଜାରେ 32,000 crore इकोनॉमिक जनरेट होता इन द स्टेट ऑफ वेस्ट बंगाल which is contribute 2.58% of the GDP. It is possible due to tourists are travel here and purchase many things. UNESCO list of intangible cultural heritage. ଏହା ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଦେଶରେ ଥିବା intangible heritage element ଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ list ରେ include କରିଥାଏ. That helps to demonstrate diversity of cultural heritage and raise awareness about its importance. In simply, ICH list रे ऐड करिबा द्वारा लोक माने एहा को भल भाबरे जानि पारिबे एहार इंपोर्टेंस विषय रे अवेयर हे पारिबे एवं एहा को प्रोटेक्ट ओ प्रिजर्व मध्य करि पारिबे इंटेंजिबल कल्चरल हेरिटेज लिस्ट को 2008 रे एस्टैब्लिश करा जायतिला when the convention for safeguarding of the intangible cultural heritage came into effect. According to UNESCO, cultural heritage केवल monument किंबा object नुह. It also includes tradition or living expression which is inherited from our ancestor and passed on to our descendants. For example, oral tradition, performing arts, social practices, rituals, festive events, etc. नेशनल लिस्ट ऑफ इंटेंजिबल कल्चरल हेरिटेज ऑफ इंडिया को मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कल्चर द्वारा लॉन्च करा जायछि एहा इंडिया रे थिबा डाइवर्सिफाई कल्चर गुडी को इंटेंजिबल हेरिटेज लिस्ट गुडी करे रिकॉग्नाइज करि थाए एही इनिशिएटिव विजन 2024 ऑफ द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कल्चर र मध्य गोटिए पार्ट अटे करेंटली वर्ल्ड रे टोटल 492 इंटेंजिबल कल्चरल हेरिटेज अछि एवं सेति मध्यरु इंडिया रे टोटल 14 टी इंटेंजिबल कल्चरल हेरिटेज अछि which are recognized by UNESCO. Let we visualize India's 14 intangible cultural heritage. Tradition of Vedic chanting. Ram Leela, the traditional theatrical performance of the epic Ramayana is called Ram Leela. Kutiyatam, one of the oldest living theatrical traditions in the southern state of Kerala. Raman, religious festival and ritual theatre of the Garhwal Himalayas, where villagers gather to worship the local governing god Bhumiyal Devta. Mudiyettu, ritual theatre and dance drama of Kerala. Kalbelia, folk song and dance. The Kalbelia community of Rajasthan takes pride in their traditional dance and song, which are performed by wearing dazzling outfit and black tattoos design. How dance, the folk dance from Eastern India, which was included in UNESCO list in 2010. Buddhist chanting, the holy Buddhist chanting from the Trans-Himalaya region of Ladakh. Buddhist priests recite the teaching and philosophy of Lord Buddha in the form of hymns. Sankirtan, ritual singing, drumming and dancing of Manipur. Traditional brass and copper craft of making utensils. Yoga, the free hand exercise are aimed at achieving a calming effect and a sense of being at one with nature. Kumbh Mela. It is the world's largest peaceful congregation of the people. Kumbh Mela is held every 4 years in North India cities of Allahabad, Haridwar, Ujjain, Nasik. Durga Puja, celebrated predominantly by the Bengali community in India.